Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. Dear learners, at the beginning of this course, in the very first lecture, I told you during the installation that PiP is a very important tool as far as Python is concerned, and we will need it later. So keep this checkbox checked. Today it is the turn to learn about the PiP. What is PiP, why we are using it, and what is the need of it, how to install it, and many other activities. At the end, we will write a program which will be to change the color of the text, background color of the text, style of the text, and similarly make it bold and dim, etc. So let's get started. We can develop many different types of applications in Python. For example, we can develop a web, a game, a machine learning and AI, artificial intelligence application, data science and data visualization, desktop, graphical user interface, web scraping applications, business application, CAD, computer aided design application, and many more. Remember that a programmer is a master of one field at a time. For example, if a programmer is good in web development, then it doesn't mean that she is a good game developer. Programmer can install the tools necessary for her field of expertise. And for this purpose, PIP was created. There is a huge community of Python. If all the packages are integrated at the time of installation, then Python will be overburdened and we will not be able to use the program swiftly. For that particular purpose, another platform is generated in which the Python communities are developing programs every day, putting that in Pi, which is Python packages index, and every programmer can install a package of his or her need from the PiP. So in this regard, when we install Python, we get many standard distribution like packages, modules, libraries. But Python has a huge community, so it is very difficult to provide all these packages with the standard distribution. Therefore, Python community has integrated all the above mentioned distribution in the form of PIP, whose long form is Performance Improvement Plan. Programmer can install and manages additional packages and libraries. Remember that PIP is also known as Package Manager in Python. P Package Manager, I in P Python. So PIP was included first with the installer version of 3.4. If you are working a version before this version, then you have to install the PIP manually. And if you are using 3.4 or later than that, then there is no need to install the PIP. So how you will install the PIP? That is what I told you. If you are using the older version, then my suggestion will be to upgrade your version and automatically it will be installed on your computer while you are using the older version and installing the PIP. So if PiP is not installed on your system, then my recommendation will be to install the new version of Python so that PiP will be installed automatically with it. How to verify that whether PiP is installed on my system, or I will have to install it on the system? There are two commands you can use, and those are the pip dash dash version or pip dash v. First, you have to go to your desktop environment, type here cmd, and run as an administrative privilege and press yes. Right after that, you will be directed to this environment, and there you have to write pip dash dash version. If it is showing you the directory, it means that you are up to date and your libraries are, your pip is installed already. You can also write pip PIP and then dash, and V must be capital. So when you are doing in both cases, you will get this information. It means that there is version of 24 currently I am using is installed on my computer. So it means that I don't have to install pip again, but I can include packages as well. Okay, after running these commands, if you see the folder of pip, then pip is installed on your system correctly. Now let us move further and do another topic, how to update or upgrade your pip. So if it is installed, every time the new changes are incorporated inside the PiP, and if you want to update that, then you have to use the following two commands. Both are the same. In the first case, we are writing Python full, and in the second case, we are writing Python minus m, and only py is written of the Python. So both will work for you. You have to write Python minus m pip install upgrade pip. Let us write this. You have to write Python minus m pip, and then you have to write install dash dash upgrade and pip. When you press the enter key, you will see that requirement is satisfied, and you can see that it is downloading the new version and installing the connected packages. So success, the older version will be uninstalled, and you can see it here, successfully uninstalled 24.0 and successfully installed pip 24.11. So you can see that the older version of pip is removed and the new version of that pip is installed. So in this way you can upgrade. Both of the commands are working. For upgradation, one thing you must have to keep in mind, that you must be connected with the internet, otherwise you will get warning messages. During the upgradation process, the older version, as you saw, will be removed, but the new version will be installed. For this purpose, minus m is used with the command. How to install packages using pip? Now that we have upgraded pip, so we are going to install the packages. The general syntax is pip install and package name. For example, let us write a program, and then we will need a package inside that. and then we will come back to the slides and will install that package. So let's go to the IDE. Your student, as you can see that I have written a program here, and in the first I will explain it at the later part, but for the time being let us observe that we need color EMA for foreground, background and style. So if it is not installed, you have to install it. Let us run the program and then we will see that whether this program is working or not. So here I am running the program, and as you can see that no module named Colorama is there. We have to install this module, and then we will be able to run this program. So let's go back to the uh, DOS prompt, and here I will write a command, and that is pip install and COLORMA, and when I am pressing the enter key it will go to the PiP index and it will install it, and here it is saying successfully installed Colorama and the version. So it means that you have installed a package in the PIP. Now let us run this program and see that whether it is working or not. Run Python and this. Here it is, dear students, that you have seen that now it is working. So in this way you can install a package so that different types of working procedures will be achieved inside the Python, so that you can increase the capabilities of Python language. Okay, dear students, you wrote this command pip install and Colorama, which was not previously installed, to see packages installed. Now how you will see that a particular package is installed on my system or not. So for this particular purpose you have to write pip list. Okay, let me write PIPLIST the command, and it will show you the list. So it means that it is showing you that Colorama is the only package I installed right now. So it means Colorama is installed and it is given you the name as well as the version. Okay, now let us talk about uninstalling a package. If a package is not needed anymore, then you can remove it from Python. You can reinstall it whenever you need it again. Let us write this pip uninstall and then the package name. Here I am writing Colorama. So when you press the enter key, but it is confirming you that proceed. So I am saying yes. So if yes, successfully unlisted. If I am writing pip list, there will be no Colorama right now. Only pip is there and not that Colorama. So that is the whole story, how to install, how to remove, and how to upgrade this PiP. Okay, you have to write this command and then working criteria of the PiP. How PiP is working. PiP first searches the package on the PiP. What is PiP? The Python package index is a repository of software for the Python programming language. PiP help you find and install software developed and shared by the Python community. The pip install command searches and download the packages as you saw it. If we want to get information about a package, for example, I will reinstall Colorama because I will need it in the program, and then we'll see that who developed it and for which particular purpose it is used. So if we want to get further information, then you have to use pip show and the package name. Let us install that package pip install and Colorama. You are not connected to the internet. That is what I was showing you. If you are not connected to the internet, then it will give you these warning messages as you can see. So deliberately I disconnected from the internet. Okay, I am reconnected to the internet and let me write this command again and press enter. This time when you are connected to the internet, so successfully install the Colorama package. Now I want to see information about it. So pip show and Colorama, and when I press enter it will give you that who is the author of this. It is Colorama, version is this one, summary cross platform color terminal text. It is used for color terminal text. Home page is this one, author email is this one, and all the informations you can see all the information about the package. So let us go to the slides again and say how to use packages in Python, as I will be writing a program. So you have to use the import statement. You saw in many previous programs the import statement in Python program to use the package. For this particular purpose, I am writing a program. Actually, you have seen the demonstration of that program a little while ago. Let us explain it. First of all, from Colorama, there are many other things available inside that Colorama. From Colorama, import for, which is for foreground color, the text color, and back, which is for background color of the text, and style, bold and dim and normal. Okay, this is the comment style, single line comment style. Whenever this symbol is encountered by the compiler, it will ignore whatever written inside that line. So color text, I am saying print for this one dot red. The foreground color should be red. So this is a red. It will print this in red. Now next time I am saying back. The background color of the text will be green. This has a green background. And there is for yellow, back, blue. Both of them we can use. We are using the for color, that is the text color, that will be yellow, and the back ground color will be blue. It is written here, this has yellow foreground and blue background. Well, I want to reset the colors. Otherwise, yesterday I told you that whenever you are using the last color, and that color will be the permanent color of your terminal. So whatever you are writing, it will be in that color. So I have to reset the color. For that particular purpose, I am using style method of this colorama class. So I am writing style dot reset all. This is the default text color you will see. Now let us talk about the style. So first I am printing style dot bright. This is a bright text, so it will be written more brightly than other text. Style dot dim. This is a dim text. And style dot normal. It means that it will come back to the normal. You can also use style dot reset underscore all. This is the default text style. So now we can combine color and style as well. For example, I am saying foreground color is cyan, background color is magenta, style is bright. So all the three formats are used inside this one command. This text has a cyan foreground, magenta background, and is bright. Let us do this program now. Practically you have seen it, but I told you that I will explain it later. Dear students, you can see the result. That first is 4.red. You can see that this area is red. This is a red color. Now print back green. This is the back green color of this text. This has a green background. So this has a green background is written. Now print 4 is yellow. This is yellow color written. This has a yellow foreground and a blue background. You can see that the background is blue. Now coming back to the normal text, print style bright. Style dot reset all. This is the default text color. This one is the default text, and this is due to this particular command. Let's talk about the text. Style dot bright. So you can see it is brighter than the other text. Now if we are printing it dim, so style dot dim, this is dim text, and this you can see that this is a dim text. Style dot normal, this is a normal text. Yes, this is the normal text. Whatever we have seen here, that is the normal text, this one. Now we are resetting all the things. So style dot reset, this is the default text style, this one. Let's move further. Combine colors and style. First, the foreground color is cyan. The background color is magenta, as you can see, and the style is brighter. So all the three formats are used in a single print command. This text has a cyan foreground, magenta background, and it will say and is bright, and it is written here as well. So you saw, dear learners, that without the PiP we are not being able to implement advanced types of actions inside Python. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel so that I will work more hard for you people to make you understand Python. Thank you very much.